Okay, so here what I'm doing is I actually use ChatGPT. I also want you guys also to use this. So it's just creating simple invoice, right? So I just create a prompt to create invoice. You see this? Create 12 invoice for each month for the sales of medicine in the pharmacy. So it created something like this. What I asked is to create a template. Using this template, it created a template. So I asked, using this template, create 10 invoice, sorry, 12 invoice for 2025. So it created 12 invoice. I asked it to download it. So this is just for our sample data, right? So uh, download 12 files as invoice to download for each month. So it gave me a zip file. I downloaded that zip file here and unzipped it. You see this? I have now 12 invoice, right? So starting from January to December. Okay. Now what I want is, okay, I will use my VS Code. I will use my terminal. I will say go to the folder invoice, monthly invoice, and calculate the go to the folder and calculate the total sales. Let us see what it is doing. So here what we are doing is I have my invoice in my computer and I will ask it to go to that folder. See, it went to that folder. You see this? See invoice, monthly invoices. It checked. So it is asking if you want to proceed. I said yes, allow reading from monthly invoice for this project. Okay, so now it will go and read that invoice in that folder and it will calculate the sum of my sales. See how beautiful it is, right? So it is reading 12 files, you see. See, this all could be your real files. Okay, so now it is saying it is actually running a program. It's running a PowerShell program to calculate the sum. You see this? Do you want to proceed? Yes. Okay. Now what it is doing is it is going into that folder. It is taking all the invoice and it is calculating the sum of all the sum of sales for 2025. Just imagine the kind of use can see. It's amazing, right? So total sales is 726. So it went to the folder, it read the file, it calculated the sum. You see, that is the beauty of Claude Code. Okay.